Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy Zaletskyy and I'm co-founder and CTO at company AcuPower LTD. Today I want to describe to you how to get following functionality. So basically, initially this seems pretty straightforward screen because it has only grid and two buttons, process and process all. But this clock, as you can see, this clock makes sure that this screen is processing. And what is even more important, this particular table, it doesn't have any database behind it. And how this can be achieved, I will describe in a moment. But I want to encourage everybody to subscribe and like to this video. It will help me it will motivate me to record more videos. So basically here, nothing special. We have processing item duct class, which inherits from ABQL table. We mentioned that it is selected. Action is pretty straightforward, but want to highlight how graphing itself is implemented. So here we put attribute PX virtual duct. Here we say it is PX processing. Here we execute on these items action set process delegate. Here we have some kind of logic, and the most important part is this overload of items method, and it have two very important details. First of all, it is found, and then we check in if we have items in the cache, we say return from the cache. But if there is no record in the cache, we have a bit trickier logic. What do we do here? We clear in cache, we create a specific record which we want to have. We insert it in the cache. We say that cache is dirty is equal false and returning items. So this will be initial execution. And then once user clicked the button, it will be here. Such approach helps to avoid situation when user selects something and it is lost in process of execution. And how this screen works. Here click on button process and you can get some activities like here. This processing screen basically creates cases, but that will be probably a topic for another videos. Again, thank you for your attention and we'll be happy to hear your comments or likes.